Wow. We're doing good.
Yeah, we're gaming right now.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Holy shit, we just got rolled.
Oh, I just got one shot.
Oh, that's
Holy-
bad.
What?
Dude, I'm literally playing Respawn Simulator. I have 5 deaths.
Good luck, good luck.
Okay, so when you get hacked as Bastion by Sombra, I might as well just start running back from spawn.
Oh, so they EMP just
Nope.
fucked my ass.
We've been waiting a long time, but it finally happened. The Overwatch 2 beta. I was super hyped to get to test out Overwatch 2, so after getting home, I quickly hopped on the PC, turned on the stream, and grinded. What I didn't expect, though, was the longest queue times I've ever experienced. After a while of long queue times, we got a 5-stack together and finally got into a game. Only to go up against Seagull, Flats, and Emongg. So we quickly decided we weren't gonna lose that. If you enjoy, please check out my friends who will be in the description down below. Mystery also put out a great video showing his perspective, and if you like this, please subscribe if you want more content. But you might have to wait a couple of months because I'm not too great at editing. Also, don't judge my aim. I haven't played any FPS games in like a month. Thank you. Is that a game already?
Yeah, with 5 stacks are quick.
Oh my
I hear
god.
this fucking crap beat now.
Whoa, guys!
That might
Look at the enemy team.
No,
No,
we
enemy-
went
Wait.
Wait.
Wait!
Wait.
Yo, I wish I was on. I want to Rhine diff. I want to Rhine diff flats.
Wait.
No
Wait.
shot!
Focus up, actually focus up.
All right, yeah,
actually
yeah,
focus
we
up.
win this, boys. We
No,
win
no.
this.
What am I playing?
We win these, bro. These guys are not
I'm gonna
good
play
at the game.
Brig and I'm gonna.
Heals
These
are
guys are
watch
literal
Watch
throwers.
These guys are literally trolling. Emong's on DPS, dude. Flash is
Yup.
on support. We win these. We can't lose.
We literally do not lose this
Okay.
ever.
Focus,
Okay.
we full roll,
Okay.
big
Okay.
bombs. Take a breath. Keep composure.
Alright, I'm road hogging. What do I do here?
So you have a hook, so your
What
shift
was
will be a
that?
hook. So there you go. That will hook somebody into you.
Ooh,
And
it's
then,
like death grip, dude.
yeah.
He plays DK and well.
Your E is a self heal. It does
It's your
350
A-bomb
health.
grip. It's your A-bomb grip.
Zen 1? I just got rolled. Zen's really low. Wait, he's full HP. What the fuck?
Yeah, it'd be like that. Oh my
Flats on
god,
DPS.
Flats is crazy.
There's no shot.
You have no healers right now.
Zen dies, Zen dies, Zen dies. Zen dies.
Yep, done. Nice. Flats main, under,
Dash one,
under,
dash one.
under.
Literally one.
Shoot, they're up top.
Nice.
I can get heals
Four
over you
dies,
right
four
now.
dies. Back. Wait, no, I can't. I'm really low.
Hog one, hog one.
Dude,
Dead.
help your doom, help your doom, help your doom.
I have EMP. We kill this.
Oh
we
my
kill this
god, Emong's on us.
one. Ready.
Okay,
EMP
ready?
in 5, 4, 3, 2. Push now. Zen 1 HP in the corner.
I'm on Ash, Ah.
They beat it.
Still winnable,
I almost had
I'm
to
1
use
HP,
strike.
I'm 1 HP, I got it back.
Wait this out. If you meteor goes in,
Media striking.
Zen 1 dead.
Hog one,
Come on,
hog. Nice.
Point.
Ash is on. I need help on point, please.
I'm coming.
I'm with you on Torb.
Torb,
dead.
Ash. Ash half.
There it is.
The whole gang coming back.
I'm mollied.
I'm gonna jump on
Let
him.
me know
Wait,
where you're
Zen.
going.
Zen hard throwing.
We can hear Doom.
Nice kill. I was worried.
After back.
I was the
Lucio
furthest
won.
one away, and they all came. They called me.
No.
I'm dead.
Torb dies.
Alright,
We can push this. if we
No,
want.
Carl, wait for some.
No,
I
I'm
got
dead, I'm
booped
dead.
in.
Go Lucio inting.
We can come back. We can come back.
Give them two.
Dead.
Wow. We're doing good.
Yeah, we're gaming right now.
Doing
Yeah.
great.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Keep going. Zen.
I'm
Zen
on
one
your
dead.
Mars
you guys
is
still
fine.
win that. You guys still win that.
Nice, good.
EMP. Torb in the corner.
Go.
Dude, I'm literally playing Respawn Simulator. I have 5 deaths.
Good luck.
Wait, so, is it a charge or like a dock? I'm hacked?
Bob's in.
I don't know.
Get this dude,
It's
get
just
this
a
dude.
giant gun.
I'm getting zoned by Bob.
I need it back.
I can't do anything to this Bob.
Alright.
Here we go. Here we
Let's
go.
go point.
Going in, whatever!
I'm getting solo ulted. Nice.
Canceled it.
Low, nice.
I mean your strike. I mean your strike. I mean your strike. No, we lose that. We lose that. We lose that.
That's fine.
One flats. He's half.
Wait. Torb, dead.
Huge,
Nice.
huge.
Yeah, I just hit the wrong button right there. That was not the play I was aiming for. I'm gonna be real here. That was not the play.
Oh, I got Sombra hacked in one shot.
Sounds like a good time.
Hug one.
I can't see you.
Hog really low. Hog really low.
Lucio. One.
Lucio hacked.
Dead.
Torb.
Torb,
Next.
dead.
Torb next.
Dude, they are just sprinted at us.
I don't know
Holy
if this
shit.
was the right-
Peek now. 3, 2, 1. Imp.
Oh, I just got one shot.
Oh, that's
Holy-
bad.
What?
Mercy.
Mercy 1. Mercy action 1. Mercy action
Hog
1.
hard.
She gets that.
She's getting pocketed too. Just go main. Hog 1. Can die.
Yo, guys,
Reloading.
I think Seagull wants me. I'm kind of
He can
scared.
die.
I can't see you. I can't see you.
He's hacked? No.
I'm gonna go for a hook! Got it! No, he's
Get him,
blocked.
get him.
Nice.
Oh, just kidding. He's a doomfist.
Yeah, Tomb guy
Yeah, they
is
can
very
block.
tanky.
Except when I play.
Nice shot!
I don't really know how to play this.
Oh, we're
so
down
we
2. We just reset. We reset.
Yeah,
here.
I'm backing.
We can aggro with beat here. We have really nothing to beat, so we might as well just
Oh
push
my
in with
God,
the beat
that
here, and I'll build
grenade
nano mid
hurts.
fight.
Hey, yo, right on this wall. There's.
Wait, Torb or bashing up here. Can die.
Okay, so when you get hacked as Bastion by Sombra, I might as well just start running back from spawn.
Alright, I nano someone else.
Ash.
Friggin' hawk.
Big EMP.
Oh my
Where's the
god.
EMP?
I got rolled again.
Break.
Holy shit, we just got rolled.
Break.
I can't hit her.
My
I
aim?
I don't
literally
know,
just
I'm
cannot hit her.
falling-
My aim stopped
Falling
working.
in holes.
I'm with you.
Attack the Mega or the Mini. I'm low though, thank you.
If we can stall, I'm coming back. I can come back.
Ash one.
We have dragons.
Yeah. Dragon cart.
Shoot,
Ash
shoot,
alone,
shoot.
back.
Yeah.
We see 9.
We see 9. We can still go Ash.
I'm dead.
Yeah. Keep an eye out on her.
Oh my god.
I didn't even
I
see
got
it.
one clipped.
Got one?
Time to ride into the sunset. Present for
Got that Ana?
This Doofus hiding on left.
Doom's one? Not one of the all. I don't know why I called that.
I'm at
I'm
80 on
on
nano.
right
I'm
now.
gonna try and get back
We're
here.
down 3, 4. Okay,
Regroup.
lucky.
We have maybe one more
Yeah, we
touch.
should regroup.
We do have one more touch.
You guys ready?
We're
I can
getting
touch
me.
touch.
Oh, I got one shot.
2, 1
Got
touching now.
Tracer.
I'm hacked out of ults.
Nice. 1 HP, nice. Ash, dead. Lucio.
Bob's awake.
Lucio 1, dead.
Break.
Swap. I'm going to swap.
As soon as we EP focus Bastion, 3, 2, 1, Bastion.
Bastion
Nice,
1.
nice.
Oh, so they EMP just
Nope.
fucked my ass.
Hog.
Tracer one.
Hog main. Kill hog.
There's an
Hog one,
elevator?
dead.
What the hell? Brig 1.
Lucio low as well.
Lucio.
I can't hit him.
Lucio hacked out
Nice.
of me.
No, it's Tracer going cart.
1 HP,
Lucio dead.
nice.
I made it twice. I
That's
got it.
East Coast ping.
Tracer high ground.
Tracer hacked. No re. Nice. Ooh.
Wait.
Let's go!
Insane.
Bullied? I mean, I was solo beating. I was dead anyway, but.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I saw you went Bastion flats. Did you enjoy going against Sombra?
Yeah, I got the EMP and sprinted on me. It was great.
Yeah, you just get one shot. Right when you get hacked. At least that's what it felt like.
Holy shit, he's gaming. Look at this guy. Dude, that stick is insane. Holy shit. I can't.
Did